Today, we review the best drone under 200 that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Syma X8 HG. The Syma X8 HG and the Force One F100 are both fun and capable drones, but the thing that sets them apart is their customizability. You can add your own action camera like a GoPro and even a full stabilizing gimbal on the F100 if you want. The Syma X8 HG is an excellent first drone that can carry a GoPro or action camera. The Syma X8 is the most inexpensive drone on this list, and you can use that extra cash to get yourself an excellent action camera to go with it. The Syma X8 lineup of drones has been a staple in the hobby for years. These drones are extremely durable, very stable and quite adaptable.
Number 2.
KiEunuch Breeze. The KiEunuch Breeze $150 minus $199 is a pretty impressive small quadcopter. It has a one-axis mechanical gimbal that you can adjust with your smartphone, and it also does a nice job of smoothing out the video with its electronic image stabilization (ISE) software. You can capture up to 4K footage if you choose not to utilize the ISE. It is an impressively stable GPS drone and has some solid video modes and features. You can even add a compatible Bluetooth remote for increased flexibility.
Number 3.
Bugs 5 with JJPRO Epic. The MJX Bugs 5W and JJPRO Epic $130 minus $199 are both solid brushless GPS drones. They are full-featured GPS drones with 1080p cameras. You will get return home, follow me, orbit as well as waypoint modes. The camera is adjustable from the remote, so you can line up your pictures and video from your FPV feed. The differences between the Bugs 5W and Epic are only cosmetic, so you'll want to choose the one with the best price.
Number 4.
MJX Bugs 2W. If you are into drone flying, cinematography and videography, you should consider buying this drone. The MJX Bugs 2W costs anything from $170 to $200 on Amazon depending on the seller. However, compared to other entry-level drones, this drone offers superior features and capabilities. Some of its notable features include FPV transmission capability, a GPS brushless motors and a high-quality 1080p camera capable of recording breathtaking videos in HD format. Additionally, it has an altitude hold feature, stable flight path, and return home capability. You can fly this drone for up to 18 minutes without recharging or changing the battery. Thanks to its 2.4 GHz remote controller and 5.8 GHz FPV transmission feature, the drone has an operating range of 1,000 meters and an FPV transmission range of 500 meters.
Number 5.
Holy Stone F18 One. The Holy Stone HS110D FPV RC drone is another great option for beginners. The altitude hold feature makes it easy to use, even if you've never flown a drone before, and the 3D VR headset compatibility combined with the ability to do 360-degree flips and rolls gives this drone a unique flying experience. This drone comes with a modular battery that allows approximately 10 minutes of flight time. While this flight time isn't as long as the SharkSpark drone's flight time, it is a fairly average amount of flight time in comparison to a lot of other drones.